This is Christopher motherfucking Wealth, and I'm finna tell y'all what the hell is a 22 days, 22 videos. You did what I'm saying, shorty? No cap, no kizzy. Oh my god. Yes, I will be doing modeling tips for you, like for people who want to be a model and shit like that. And you did what I'm saying, just for motherfuckers who really having like a hard time, you feel me, trying to figure out which direction they want to go. I'll do some modeling tips because I feel like that would definitely help a lot of people out. You dig what I'm saying? Who I want to collab with? Shit, I want to collab with Jaden Grundy, cause that nigga hot as hell. I swear to God, he be sliding in all his fits. Jaden Grundy got to be the most rawest motherfucking fashion YouTuber on there. You dig what I'm saying? So I definitely want to collab with him. Kelly Stamps, cause I love Kelly Stamps. I want to collab with her so bad, bro. She's so fucking funny, G. I want to collab with Kelly Stamps and Clarence, like Queen. Shorty name, Shorty boyfriend. I want to collab with him cause the nigga just seems so fucking cool as hell. So those are mainly like the three people who I really want to collab with for sure. One of my dreams from doing YouTube, I ain't gonna lie, one of my dreams from doing YouTube is to actually like get that plaque. You dig what I'm saying? Cause that shit is like a fucking achievement, bro. To get that plaque for one, and to have YouTube pay all my fucking bills. That's why I gotta go file with that shit. That would be my fucking dream because I'm doing something that I love. You dig what I'm saying? I got an achievement for it, and I also got like, what nigga, I got my bills paid from doing YouTube. My channel will definitely touch people, and it will inspire people. You feel me? To just be themselves, like do what y'all love doing. Be smart about that shit though, but do what y'all love doing, and like don't be afraid to take risks. You feel me? So I definitely know for a fact that my motherfucking channel is definitely gonna reach some people. You dig what I'm saying? And touch them. You feel me? The hardest thing about fucking YouTube, bro, when I first started YouTube, it was the consistency. That's it, that's all. That was like one of my hardest things about YouTube, was the fucking consistency. You dig what I'm saying? But that, and also just like knowing what your channel gonna be about. You feel me? Because once you get that shit down packed, then it's a go. You feel me? But those to me is just like one of the most hardest thing about YouTube, is being consistent and knowing what the knowing what your goddamn video gonna be about. You feel me? What I would tell my younger self. My younger self would be so fucking proud of me, bro. I swear to God. My younger self would be so proud of me. Shit, what I would tell my younger self is to learn to let things go. And you can't please everybody. You dig what I'm saying? And also, like, you have to stay dedicated to whatever you fucking doing. You feel me? That's what I really tell my younger self. You feel me? You have to learn and let go. Everybody not meant to be in your life. Learn how to stay dedicated and go for everything what you want to go for. Then don't let anything hold you back. To be honest, shit. That's what I tell my younger self, for sure.